The question on the YouTube, Path to Islam. As.a.w. wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Am I sinful for exposing my face and ears for passport and for the identification and exam in front of Gair Mehram? I assume that this question is from a Muslimah, from a Muslim lady, that am I sinful if I expose my face and my ears for taking a photograph in the passport or for a photograph during the examination identity card? As far as exposing the face is concerned, only the face, the difference of opinion. Some say that face, if you expose the face, it's permitted. Some say covering the face is fard. This is difference of opinion since many years. According to Sheikh Nasruddin Albani, covering the face is not fard. But according to other scholars like Sheikh bin Baz and Sheikh Uthaymeen and many other scholars, covering the face is fard. This is a difference of opinion. But natural, exposing the ear, according to all scholars, it's not permitted for a woman who's an adult woman. But coming to the question, is it permitted to show your face or your ears for the photograph of a passport or for examination? There are many things which are fard. For example, going to Hajj is a fard. If you want to travel to Saudi Arabia without a passport, you can't. So under certain circumstances like these, in which it's unavoidable, even those scholars who say that it's a fard to cover the face, and those scholars say covering the ears is fard, but in these circumstances where it's a requirement and you cannot avoid it, like taking a photograph for a passport or taking a photograph for an identification card, whether it be your iqama or whether it be your identification card for your examination card, all the scholars absolutely agree that in such conditions it is permitted. But when you're giving your passport to someone for certain things which may not be required for the face to be seen. For example, if your travel agent says, give me a passport so that I want to match the exact spelling of your passport, in this case, what you can do, in this case, when you're giving the copy of the passport, you can easily blur the face so that the face is not seen, because the agent doesn't have to have the photo in the passport. What is bothered is only about the spelling of your passport, so that the ticket, there is no problem in the spelling. So where it is required that a complete passport is required for getting a visa, etc., then there is no harm at all. But we are giving a passport or sharing with someone where the photograph is not a requirement, you can very well see to it that you hide the photograph. Now it's very easy in today's age of technology, where you can go into the Photoshop, or when you click, you can easily go edit mode and you can easily see to it that you paint your photo or paint it with a black color. So if you do this, it's preferable. Hope that answers the question.